Hey everyone, welcome back. So the past few days you have seen in the stock market, I feel it's a wonderful training for someone who's just starting out. These are the days that define how well you are going to do in stock market. See, whenever there is a sale in stock market, everyone runs away. But whenever there is a sale in store, everybody lines up. So I feel days like this really test the patience and the intelligence of an investor. The companies once we thought are never going to go down are seeing the levels where everybody is running away from them. Tesla, NIO, Xpeng, I'm just talking about EV companies right now, are seeing the levels which we never thought is going to see. See, the buys that you were making at NIO, say $50, $55, because you thought that it's never going to come down, it's sitting at like $35. It's great steal, but yet people are not confident right now to go and put their money in, and they're shying away from these companies. I feel times like this really helps to make your portfolio or break your portfolio. So what I'm going to do in this video today, I'm going to break down my NIO price prediction and why I feel that this is the perfect time to enter into the trades, and I'm going to show you my trades that I'm doing to add on to my NIO portfolio. But before that, do me a favor and hit that like button, share and subscribe button and help this channel grow so this video can reach to more NIO lovers or more EV lovers. All right, so without any delay, I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you what I feel that NIO is going to do short term and also long term. So let's talk about NIO as a company. What has fundamentally changed for NIO from January or even from last year? Nothing really. The company is actually more stronger now than it was a few months ago. So if you look at the company as a whole, I feel that this company is taking the right steps, going in the right direction for the future. So if you look at the news, there is nothing but positive coming out of NIO. NIO outperforms on a strong trading day. More smart money moves into NIO as investment bank boost holdings. NIO stock is still undervalued. Positive catalysts revving up for NIO stock. Like, it's all positive news, one after the other coming out for NIO, yet the stock is not seeing the movement. And that is actually a very good sign because I feel it's giving us more opportunity to load up on NIO or to do more trades in NIO. Along with that, I think this was a very positive news that came out of China. NIO is actually contributing to setting up the standards in China for the swappable station is huge because that proves that Chinese government is really relying on NIO for being that company that they look up to for setting standard and also for the expansion. So along with that, the NIO is also stepping outside China for the first time. I actually discussed that in my previous video that, hey, NIO is now putting their foothold outside mainland China, which is really exciting for this company because that means more growth in the short-term future and also a bigger foothold for the long-term future. Okay, so now let's talk about the stock itself. On your screen is a chart for NIO stock, and right now it's actually sitting under the 200-day moving average, which is really exciting for a company like NIO. It has seen the drop all the way, almost 40-45% drop from the all-time high, which means that this stock right now, 45% sale. So if I'm trying to build my position, now I already hold NIO. I actually have been buying NIO since last year, but I feel this is the right time or the right time, RIPE, for NIO stock because I feel it's going to see a huge potential going forward and I have my reasonings for it. So what I'm doing right now is I'm looking at a short-term trade and I'm looking at a long-term trade. So now coming back to the stock, it's right now right under the 200-day moving average, and if you look at the RSI, which is really low, and when RSI is low, it's a good time to kind of add to the position because right now it's forming a base. That $35 range, which I discussed in my previous video, that anything under 35 is a really good price for NIO, and I still hold that argument very strong because I feel anything under 35 is a very good price for NIO. And right now it's hovering over like that 34-35 range, which I feel is a perfect time to play short term and also long term. All right, so now let's look at the trade that I'm making for NIO for long term and also for short term. I'm going to cover long term first, and I'm not going 2023 because I've already discussed that in my previous video. I'm going to link that up here, but I'm talking about 6 to 8 months forward, and which is January 2022. So if you look at the option, and these are calls on this side, if you look at the calls, there is a 22.5K open interest for a $50 call for January 2022, which is huge interest. The $60 option also has 30,000 open interest, but the delta on that is low, so I'm not too interested on the $60 price target. I'm more interested on the $50 price target for January 2022 right here, which is going to be around, it's going to cost me around $3 if I were to buy those calls today. I'm not going to hold those calls till January 2022. I'm going to get out before, and I'm going to tell you my reason why, but I feel this is a great option play for me. Again, entertainment purposes only, guys. For me, it's a great option play because it has a huge open interest. The price target is good. $50 is a good price target from where the stock is right now at $35. And I'm getting a good delta on it as compared to if I were to look at the $60 price target, I'm getting 0.21. For $50 price target, I'm getting 0.31. So it's a better delta if you compare the two. That's why I'm more interested in this play right here that you see on your screen. Great. Okay, so that's my long term. I'm talking about 6 to 8 months. So what I'm doing for short term is that I'm puts on NIO for July 11th expiration that you see on your screen right now. These are cash covered put, and I'm doing a $30 strike, and I'm getting about $1.75. That means that if the stock price hit $30 by July 11th or anything under, I have to buy 100 shares of NIO if I'm selling one contract. I'm selling 10 contracts here for $30 stock price, and I'm getting about $1,750 for this bet. The reason why I'm picking July 11th is here. If you look at all the markets, if you look at S&P 500 right here on your screen, every time, so I'm going to look at, of course, we can only look at the history. So in 2020, right at July 4th, the stock always rallies. The stock market, actually, I should say, always rallies because the earnings are also coming out. More and more people are traveling. And this year, it's going to be more special because more and more people are going to be going on the road, more and more openings, more and more people vaccinated. So I'm really excited. I feel that we are going to see a rally in all three markets, S&P 500, Dow, NASDAQ, leading up to July 4th. So that's why if you see over here, it's same thing for NASDAQ. If you see in July of 2020, we can see the rally right here at July 4th weekend. We had a rally in the stock market from May. I'm comparing it from May. Same thing for Dow Jones. If you see over here, right at, this was June end, and right at July 4th, we saw a rally. So I feel that we are going to see a rally in all three indexes, and that is why I'm placing my bet for July 11th. And guys, I never hold the contracts until the day of expiration because time decay is huge on options. I always get out before. So this is my short-term play, and this is my long-term play. So I hope I was able to provide you some value in this, how I'm trading NIO or how I'm playing NIO for leading up to July 4th weekend, and also for the long term, because I see an upside going from now. We may see a day or two of downturn. Nobody can really predict the market, but I see overall the market is going to go up from now where it is until July 4th. And I'm going to be placing these trades today or tomorrow, depending on how the market is, and I will get out, of course, before July 4th. So I hope you like what I had for you today. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Share the video with your friends. Help this channel grow. Love you all. Until next time, you all have a wonderful day.